Tonight, Congressman Dutch Ruppersberger is calling two Chinese companies a threat to U.S. security. The House Intelligence Committee compiled a report on the risks associated with trusting U.S. data to Chinese corporations. 11 News reporter Carrie Cavanaugh is live at the newsroom. She has the very latest for us. Carrie?
The Chinese companies in question here sell products including routers and other internet gear. The House Intelligence Committee launched an investigation into their practices on the basis that Chinese intelligence services, as well as private companies and other entities, often recruit those with direct access to corporate networks to steal trade secrets and other sensitive data.
This hefty report compiled by the House Intelligence Committee draws some disturbing conclusions about Huawei and ZTE, two Chinese companies that want a bigger piece of the U.S. telecommunications market. Congressman Dutch Ruppersberger says the companies failed to prove that they're independent of China's communist government.
We're not going to stand for the Chinese government to have any influence on our networks in the United States. If you want to do business, you need to come forth, give us information, financial information. They have not done that.
That's why Ruppersberger joined with Republican Mike Rogers to urge American businesses to steer clear of Huawei and ZTE. They believe that if those companies get American contracts, hackers or government saboteurs could access critical information.
The public are not aware how serious these cyber attacks are. We could have terrorists, we could have other governments. They could knock down our power grid as we speak right now. They could attack a major bank like Bank of America or our stock market. They could run havoc.
Imagine not having access to your bank account. Imagine sort of the electrical company sort of wondering why its grid is not operating correctly. Imagining hospitals having fluctuating power systems.
Economist Darius Arani agrees, but he cautions it will cost more to route all American telecom work around the two Chinese mega corporations.
We might be paying more for that work than we would have otherwise if it had been done by a Chinese firm. So I think there's sort of a balancing act that we as a nation have to take. I mean, we want security, but I would suspect that many people would want to pay the lower monthly bill on their mobile phone.
The congressman believes paying more in the short term will protect Americans from the staggering losses hackers can exact.
We have lost over $300 billion of trade secrets, where we have had hackers, in my opinion, mostly China, stealing information from our companies, getting our trade secrets, losing jobs.
Huawei and ZTE lashed out of the report's findings, calling the conclusions baseless and denying any control by the Chinese government. Meanwhile, a Chinese foreign ministry spokesman says he hopes Congress will set aside prejudices and do more to benefit China's trade ties with the $30 billion U.S. telecom industry. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Carrie Cavanaugh, WBAL-TV 11 News.
Carrie, thank you.